Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable the Suggest Frequent Contacts feature on Telegram. This handy setting helps Telegram recommend people you interact with often, making it easier to start chats without searching every time. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram account, from notifications to privacy controls. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section manages how your data is used and how Telegram interacts with your activity. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Suggest Frequent Contacts. This feature allows Telegram to suggest contacts based on who you message the most. Once you see it, simply toggle it on. When enabled, Telegram will begin analyzing your interaction patterns to provide smart suggestions. This can save you time and make your messaging experience smoother, especially if you regularly talk to the same people. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same section and turn it off at any time. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Suggest Frequent Contacts on Telegram. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a noticeable difference in how quickly you connect with others on the app. If you found this helpful, consider exploring more Telegram tips to get the most out of your experience.